Now the next stage requires a little bit more thought. So essentially whenever you're installing screws on the body of your guitar, you want to drill pilot holes first. And the reason for that are these screws are quite small and fragile. They're not so bad with these strap button holes, but certainly when it comes time to install some of the smaller screws on the top of the body, you'll find that yeah, you do want some pilot holes in place, just so you don't strip those screws when you're putting them in. Now, what I'd recommend is using a drill bit about 2/3 the width of the screw you're about to install, and we want to drill down to 2/3 the depth of the screw. So what you can do, just to make sure you're always measuring to the correct depth, is just use a little bit of tape. As you can see, I've put some tape around the drill bit here. That's approximately 2/3 of the depth of our screw when in place. And I'll drill down to that depth. Now be careful not to drill exactly to that, the tape can move otherwise. And when you're drilling your pilot holes, you want to make sure that you're drilling that hole as straight as possible. We really want our screws to go in. Straight. So put the drill dead flat and drill very slowly. You can see I've already marked half. What I want to do is drill a small pilot hole, but the problem will be there's no real way to get the drill in there. So you can either detach the neck or just work that hole. As I said, I'm less concerned about the strap button screws. They are a little more durable, they're a little bit larger, but certainly drill pilot holes with the rest of the screws. Now, I've got that on that slope and it's matching that top horn. I'm just going to screw that a little bit more. And then from there, what I recommend as well, especially with this particular screw now, is just to dip that in some wax as well, just to make it easier to go into place.